All right, so I got a mower in here before the crusher came. There it is. Got to move quick here. Nothing else here, but got this Craftsman mower. Let's check it out. Got it in. So giving a quick walk around on this machine here. It looks like it spent a lot of time out in the elements. You can see a lot of rust on the spark plug. It's obviously coated with rain splatter and all kinds of stuff. You know, it's cobwebs. And like I said, it's not seized. That's good. Yeah, whatever. See if we can rescue it. This Craftsman, still using the old horsepower nomenclature. That it's around 2004 vintage, 07, 14, 04. Oops, on the serial number. The spring looks like it needs to be fed back through here, but I don't know, not a big deal. Self-propelled. You can see one problem is that this is seized. Bit of business working. We're not going to be able to start it up. It's a PB blaster. So we'll just let that work its way in. So that's reassuring now. We let this sit for a couple hours, let this penetrating oil get in here, and this is working. It's a little stiff. Keep putting some oil under the cable. I don't want to bind the cable. Right here. Yeah, why don't we just do that and see what happens? Fires up. Nope, nothing on the first try. Let's see what's going on with this spark plug. Oh, let's clean that off. Look at that. Nasty. Looks like chocolate milk. What the heck? Looks like something you'd see at Yellowstone. Get that all out. It's gross. I've drained the gas. Multiple layers of soluble and insoluble organic and inorganic material. So water and fuel. I don't know where it's coming from, but geez, that's nasty. Nasty! So what we're going to use is my dear bride's eyebrow tweezers. Don't tell her, she doesn't watch these videos anyways. And it's all perfectly sterile under here because it's so hot. But we're going to take this spring and reattach it. Jeez. To right here. And yeah, governor's back attached. That's what you want. And as I was saying, this little tab right here to adjust the speed, this is what you can bend one way or the other to put tension on that governor. So to further add to my misery, I removed these two screws on the, this is the cover for the drive mechanism. Comes right off. And there's all kinds of horrible stuff in here. You can see it's already kind of fallen down here. It's just full of nastiness here. Nothing happens. It's all frozen up. I mean, this should pull this over this way a little bit to tighten the belt to engage the drive mechanism, but it's all obviously seized up. I swear to God, this thing spent some time in the bottom of a swamp or something. So after letting that soak in PB Blaster for a while, this Rusty C stuff, we're going to take this 3-foot crowbar and we'll promptly insert it down. I'm sure it's quite free now. Just kind of wedge it in there. Pull it a few times. Hey, look at that. That's what you want. You want that tension on the belt. Let's go. So that's a step in the right direction. Man, this thing must have spent at least more than 2 months underwater in a swamp. It's ridiculous. Jesus Christ, this thing's supposed to swing out. Little tanks. Free this little pawl up. We'll get it. We just took a little wire brush on a Dremel, cleaned in here, clean that side off. This we can rebuild quite easily. Got this little tang here. Little spring that goes here. All right. That's what you want to see it do. And this will be held in when this is put in here. Let's see how this works. So when you roll it backwards, it goes around, but then when you engage the drive, this is going to lock right in there and turn this whole thing. So that's working correctly now. And this just goes right under here. All right. Okay, there it is. Put the circlip on, it's done. So this discharge cover was flapping around, so I just rerouted the spring tang right up here to where it should be. But then, you know, we're just gonna, since I'm not going to buy another one of these, we're just gonna kind of rig it up again with some clips here, some zip ties. At least it's staying down. I think we'll start it. If it all runs well, clean it up, get rid of it. All right. Light this thing up. nice feature. What's pretty good is this all-in-one raise the wheels mechanism. This is kind of cool. This one lever takes the whole thing up. Super easy. You can have a bag for it. The whole deal. Just kind of hooks on here. There's no mulch plugs, but I still think it's a turd though. Alright, cheers and thanks for watching.